I know how it can feel being completely burnt out and it feels impossible to do those difficult tasks, but I don't want you to miss out on this because at the end of this video, I'll tell you exactly the next step you can take to overcome this. So it's easier than you think. I used to rely on motivation so much. I would watch YouTube videos for hours trying to get motivated when I could have just done it right away, but I was trying to wait for the perfect moment. I tried to get inspired, encouraged to change, but it almost never came. It felt so tedious doing those tasks that I knew I had to do, but I just couldn't do it. So the first thing I want to mention, give you something to think about, is instead of trying to chase motivation, let it come to you. I'm pretty sure you've heard people say to not chase things, whether it's like money, relationships, whatever, and to just let it come to you. The same exact thing happens with motivation. If you try to chase it, you'll just make it harder for yourself to do the things you want to do. So how you can let it come more to you is by being consistent. You don't have to have motivation to do perfect things. You can just be yourself and take some steps towards the right direction. You do that every day, you'll see progress, and then from that progress, you'll get motivated to do more. It's like I see myself make improvements in the gym. I see my physique get better. I feel myself feeling better. And then that just makes me want to go to the gym more because I already see the results and I already know that what I've been doing, whether it's a lot of effort or just a little bit in anything, not just the gym, I feel better after doing it. So I want to do more. I know that it works. It's like if you're stuck in a little hole and you want to run out, instead of using all your energy at first to make short little bursts to try to run up the hill and get out of the little trap you're in, if you just take some time and replenish yourself, make a big run up the hill and then get over the trap, then you'd be better. I kind of hope that analogy made sense, but that's what I feel like the difference is between motivation and just having the consistency. See the long-term vision. Don't be so short-sighted. So don't focus on being perfect. Just focus on trying. Don't even think about being perfect. Don't be perfect so you don't have to worry about trying to be it. Just start small. Try something now, please. It feels so much better after you do it. Keep going and you'll win. Don't think about the day and how you feel now. Think about how you'll feel after the day is over, like the next day. How will you feel about today, tomorrow? And what would you care about yourself and what you did? Ask yourself those questions and think about this. But if you want, all of this might sound nice. You might be wondering like, okay, how do I actually cement this? How do I make this stick? How do I make this not just another video where I try to get motivation and then I just forget about it? That's why I exactly want to give you the next step, the roadmap for the future, and you actually see change and finally do something. And that's with the screen time challenge. So a lot of the motivation and stuff builds up a lot of time being honestly wasted, either on our phones, on YouTube, just watching videos over and over again. But with this connected community with over 100 people inside of it, and I'm in there too, there's courses, there's challenges you can do. There's a community of people sharing ideas, sharing wins they made. There's genuine people inside this community, and they're all holding each other accountable, growing, making change, and improving right now as we're watching this video. So this screen time challenge will not only reduce a lot of your screen time, but make you start doing the things, the tasks that seem difficult and actualize them into your real life. Because it's hard. You need discipline. You need all of that stuff, but it becomes so much more effortless when you have a community of people who think the same way as you do. You have the same goals, you have the same visions, and you have people to talk to ask questions, and to get answers from. And there's only going to be more people joining, more spots getting filled up. So I want you to join right now while you still can. There's going to be more bonuses and stuff being included inside there to help you even more. So just join right now while you still can, while you're still early. Make a change now, because you can either just watch the next video, not really do anything, not think about this video later on, or start making a change now. You just sign up right now in the first link in the description, and you start seeing a change. You let the motivation, you let the encouragement come to you. You just join that, and people are already messaging you, responding to you. You make a post, you start getting engaged, and you're already committed just like that. It can take less than 5 minutes to do. Just sign up for that right now, and I'll see you inside there. I also have the Like-Minded Club, if you're also interested in that. Free community too. See ya.